Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bakery here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making tasty plain yogurt with just 3 ingredients. Sit back and enjoy. Hello, if today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, you guys rock. So I'm making use of plain tasty yogurt today. I just poured in 2 clean cups of water into a bowl, but we'll be making use of 3 cups. So after dissolving the whole milk or full cream milk in a bowl, I'm going to add the last cup, which is the third cup of water, into the already dissolved milk. After pouring it in, I'm going to stir it, then I'm going to pour it into a clean pot. You can make use of a saucepan or a pot as I did in this video. All you have to do is to boil it. The boiling process kills any kind of harmful germs or bacteria that is in the milk, because some people make use of fresh milk from that is directly from the cow's udder to make the milk. So you need to boil it to kill any kind of bacteria in it. So the milk doesn't necessarily need to overboil. Okay, you just have to boil or get to the boiling point, and that is just it. Allow it to cool for about 30 minutes, but the minutes you allow it to cool depends on the quantity of milk you boil. So this is it. It has completely cooled off. And how will you know when your milk is cooled enough for you to add your starter? When you can put your finger in it without getting burnt. As you can see, I scraped out the coating on the surface of the milk. If yours have this coating, make sure you lift it off the milk. Okay, after doing this, I'm going to pour in my starter. Your starter should be any yogurt you enjoy the taste. Okay, so I'm making use of 4 tablespoons of starter for this quantity of yogurt. Remember, we dissolved 2 cups of whole milk, added 3 cups of clean water. Now we are making use of 4 tablespoons of starter yogurt. So after mixing the yogurt inside of the milk, boiled milk, I'm going to pour it out into the container where I want it to form, where I want the yogurt to form. I poured it into 3 glass bowl. So I'm going to cover it and place it in a warm place. Place this yogurt in somewhere that is warm in your kitchen. It can be your oven, it can be your microwave, or maybe some part of your kitchen where it's very warm. It doesn't matter where it is. Just cover it and make sure it's not always shaking, so that the yogurt will not be spilled. So I'm going to cover it with a rag, with a napkin or towel, and I'm going to place it in my oven because my oven is very, very warm right now. I baked a few minutes ago, so I'm going to place it in my oven and I'll allow it to stay there for about 7 to 8 hours depending, or 9 hours at most. So this is our yogurt after 8 hours straight. If your oven is not warm at all, before you place the yogurt into the oven, make sure you preheat the oven and off it back before adding the yogurt in the oven or the microwave. So this is it. You can run your microwave for about a minute, then switch it off before placing your yogurt, your boiled milk in it. So this is it. Our yogurt came out so good. As you can see, the taste was absolutely mind-blowing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.